In Bitalino, one of the most convenient ways to synchronize the screen and the recording so that we know precisely at which moment of the recording the beginning of the presentation of the stimulus happened is this tiny apparatus called LUX meter, which is sensitive to light and records the intensity of the light as one of the channels with the data acquisition system. The idea is very simple. In one corner of the screen, the default, the normal condition is a black square with minimal light emitted. And at the moment of the stimulus, like this, a white square appears in the center of the black square. And in order to detect this white square, the moment of its presentation, we will place our LUX meter in the center of the part of the screen where the white square is shown. Obviously, the LUX meter should be protected from any external light, or the majority of external light, with some kind of black intransparent shielding, as you can see on the video. So at the moment it is an off state, and as soon as I turn switch the image to the on, there will be a response in the first channel, which is the LUX meter channel. On, off. Now another on, off. Hopefully you see that the response is clear and easy to identify.